friends. Today I'm here with you to share how I make these seals with hot glue. It's very simple. I shared some of the pictures of these beautiful seals that I created last week, and many of you have asked me how I made them. So this is going to be the explanation. It's very simple, very cheap to make, and probably with things that you already have at home. The only thing that you need is to have some of the seals that I had bought mine, the wax seals, at Walmart. They have different drawings, and they come with wax, and Walmart sells separate wax with different colors too. But in case you don't have the wax, you can create them with hot glue, and there are different options. So these are the ones that I came up with. I created them on top of paper, any kind of paper. So some of them I added embellishments like this one here. This has some embellishment from Dollar Tree, and everything that I used here is from Dollar Tree except for the seal, but the hot glue and the paper and the markers to paint the seal, they are from Dollar Tree. But under them I used some embellishments, but I figured out they didn't come out too much because the seal covers everything. So I think it's better to use just the drawing of the paper to give some kind of color or shapes under the seal. So this one is a yellow paper, and again it has some embellishment under there. In some others I used again some sequins, but they didn't come out shiny once the hot glue was applied. So again, I put paper down there and then I apply the sequins, but it's something that probably doesn't work. In this one, for example, I tried adding a dried flower under it, but again, because we are painting them, it doesn't show. So I wouldn't advise to do that. So from the dollar store or Dollar Tree, the markers that I use to paint the seals are these ones, and these are the ones that work better because it seems like the glue absorbs the ink and the ink stays. So these are the best ones. But then the dollar store, or I keep saying dollar store, is the Dollar Tree. They sell these ones in a package of 2, and they are glittery and they are very nice. They have a whole collection of different colors. So I used some of these, like this one here. I used this golden one, and I like how it looks, but it doesn't dry in the glue. So what I did is I applied it, I left it for 24 hours, and then I applied a little bit of Mod Podge, also from the Dollar Tree. And the same with like this pink one is this one here, and it's like a beautiful shade, and it has hearts that I added as embellishment. You can see some of them there. But again, this one, this marker, the ink didn't attach to the glue, so I had to add some Mod Podge, but it really worked. I also tried another technique that failed. I'm going to show you what happened. This was another seal, and I tried to dry it when the ink was fresh, but it melted the glue. Probably I should have realized about it before doing it, but this is a fail, and I wanted to share it with you just in case you may have the same idea. So to do this, we only need some round cutouts. You can use one of those machines to cut the round circles. I don't have it, so I use the base of this glue cartridge, and it's perfect for the measure that I do my seals. So you need some cutouts. I'm gonna use one that is a solid color fabric. This is wrapping paper, and this one is it's like rubber. I don't know how the name of this, and it comes with this glittery stuff, and we'll see how this works. So we're trying different things. So you need some different rounds cutouts, a hot gun, a hot glue gun. I created all of these seals with half of this stick, and as I said, it's from the Dollar Tree. And the trick for this to work is that the seals, they have to be super cold. So I use like an ice pad, and I put them on top to get them cold. So basically it's very, very simple. You are gonna go ahead and apply some glue. Oops, this keeps on moving, sorry. And we're gonna spread the glue. It has to be really hot, and you have to be careful. If you are scared of this, the Dollar Tree sells some of the finger protectors, and then you apply the seal on top. And there it is. We're going to leave it there because this is super cold. This is going to dry pretty quickly, and as you can see, it doesn't go out of the circle if you put the right amount. So we're going to leave it there, and we're going to go with this one here. And this is wrapping paper. And we're going to see that if it works, because the paper is thinner than crafting paper. So we'll see the result of this. And this, it comes out super clean, super easy. We're going to put it back to do the next one. And as you can see, the seal is done. Of course, all the shiny stuff doesn't come through because of the glue. But basically you have the green seal there. So let's see this one here, how it worked with the wrapping paper. Very nice. And I'm gonna put this here. And these are nice to close your envelopes when you're sending happy mails, or like when I do my little journals that I give away to my friends. Sometimes I include a letter, and it's a nice touch to close it with the seal. So there we have it. Look how pretty it is. One with the, again, gold. And of course, you know, if you have more seals, you can have a bigger variety of different drawings. I only have 2 for now. I wanted to make sure that this is something that I'm gonna keep on doing before buying more seals. And here we go, another one. Look how beautiful. And this is the solid color, and this is the fabric one. For those like me, like love the Victorian or Edwardian era, the seals are something super cute, and they remind me of those books and shows that I like to watch, where they closed all their envelopes with different seals. Although theirs was not done with hot glue but with wax. So this is the one with fabric. I'm loving the idea of the fabric. It pops out a lot. So this is it. It's a very simple technique, but it's an elegant way to embellish some of your work, or to close your friend mail or pocket letters. It gives some nice homemade embellishment. So I hope you like this idea. If you did, just leave a comment, like it, join the channel, and we will see you again in the next video. Bye.